A little loud? That's not good. I want it a lot loud.
Small, you can't have a loud song about the moon. Obviously, Ruby likes my tune, but she wants it even softer.
Well, actually...
I think she wants it louder.
She wants it softer. In fact, the piano isn't even soft enough. Hold on, I'll be right back.
What you want is a louder instrument. Don't worry, Ruby. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna write my own majestic song. Thank you very much.
Okay, think. Okay, loud. Okay, loud. I gotta think loud, loud, loud. Oh, think, Small, think. We need loud, really loud.